This home is a little more unusual than what we've been featuring lately, but it has 400 square metres of living space, and we absolutely love it. It's recently undergone renovation work, which included new electrical and heating systems, along with wooden double-glazed window frames. It's heated by a gas condensing boiler, but also has several chimneys, so wood or pellet stoves could be installed. The ground floor and first floor are completely habitable, but the second floor will need to be finished. There is also an unfinished attic, 2 cellars, a double garage, a sun terrace, 2 balconies, and a small outdoor area in the back. The ground floor is currently being used as a tavern. In its present configuration, there are 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with the potential to create much more living and sleeping space on the upper levels and in the tavern area. Located in the historic centre of Sordevolo, which is an ancient village in a valley of the Biella Alps, in the region of Piedmont, it's very near the region of Valle d'Aosta. Both Milan and Turin airports are about 100 kilometres away, and it's less than 2 hours from Mount Blanc and the borders of France and Switzerland. According to the Realtor, since 1816, every 5 years, the inhabitants of the village have staged the largest choral, popular theatre show in Italy, The Passion of Sordevolo. This amazing home is on the market for €145,000. Whether you're new to this channel or have been following along for a while, just a reminder that we're not realtors and we don't receive any commission or fees for featuring these properties. We just like finding and sharing them here on YouTube and with our members on Patreon. If you like any of the properties, please contact the Realtor directly. There is always a link to the original listing and the Realtor's contact information in the notes below of every one of our videos. Thanks so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, and becoming a member. Your support is very much appreciated.